On number 11, I'm trying to solve using the square root property. My first step is always to isolate the square term, and in this case, the square term is the x plus 2 squared. So I want to divide by 3 to get rid of that 3. So I'm left with x plus 2 squared is equal to 12. Now that I've isolated the square term, I can take the square root of both sides. That will eliminate the square, and I'll have plus or minus square root of 12. And let's move over the 2. So this will be negative 2 plus or minus square root of 12. And then I want to simplify that radical. So the square root of 12 can break up into the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. And then the square root of 4 will just become a 2. And this will be our final answer. If you want to write it expanded, you could. It would be negative 2 plus 2 square root of 3 and negative 2 minus 2 square root of 3. So those would be your two answers. Another thing just to highlight is that you cannot combine this negative 2 with this 2. And that's because this 2 has the square root of 3 with it. So they're not like terms. It would be like you're not allowed to add negative 2 plus 2x. So the negative 2 and the 2x are not like terms. So it's a similar rule when we're adding terms that have radicals. So either of these is okay if you want to have it together with the plus minus, or if you want to expand it and show the two solutions separately.